everyday review guy. I'm the everyday review guy. Today we got this Husqvarna Mz52. Got 25 horses, got 7,000 series, 0-turn mower. I'm gonna be showing you how to and review it today. So I'll pick it up and show you guys what we got. So here we got good old parking brake, on and off. Got the handles, got fuel tank, obviously, unleaded fuel tank, 25 whole horsepower. We got, so you sit on her, we got choke on, choke off, full throttle, obviously turbo throttle for minimal power, blades on and off, got the, so start it, you got the handles in neutral position, parking brake up, choke up, throttle. Good to go, baby. Go, parking brake.
Pull back both levers to go back. Push forward both levers to go forward. You know, reverse. Take the left one, push it forward to go right. Take the right one, push it forward to go left. And yeah, little opposite action right there, and you're set.
Alrighty. When the machine's on, parking brake down, got the handles up and the machine's running. Machine's running at full throttle. I don't have it on now, but you know, to turn on the blades, you just make sure the throttle's full, pull that sucker up, and it'll turn on. And when you're transporting it, make sure it's locked up like that. Mowing height, pull that back, got your foot there, release it down, bang, bang, boom, there you go, now you're cutting. And I'm back. I just cut this field by my house and it cuts like a dime. So yeah, the field was tall, but it was wet. It doesn't look pretty, but you know, she cuts. 1 out of 10, I'd say, I'd give it a 6.